How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to do a little bit of driveway maintenance. Got the box blade installed in the back of the tractor. We're going to go ahead and we'll do a few passes with the scar fires all the way down and the box tilted backwards. So we're just kind of tearing up that gravel and leveling it out below it to try to smooth out the top here. And then we'll probably go ahead and put those scar fires back up, and then we will again tilt that box back so we can just kind of drag that back edge and smooth everything out. Stick around. I hope you guys all enjoy a little bit of tractor therapy today with me. So to start off with here, we're gonna go ahead and put the box blade ripper shanks down, the scar fires you would call them, and then we're gonna go ahead and tilt the box backwards so it rips in the ground, but then it smooths the gravel out using the back blade there on the back. So we'll do that first, and then after we do that, we'll go ahead and pull the scar fires back up, and we'll keep the box tilted back just so we can use that back blade there to smooth it all out a little bit and see how it goes.
Okay, now we're going to take the box blade, move some gravel from some higher spots to others, then redistribute across the driveway what we've torn up here, trying to make a nice, even, level, smooth surface that doesn't have a mud in it. You'll notice as we do this that the scar fires did a great job ripping up the old stuff. There is some larger stone down below it did grab as well, but a majority of it is the crusher run. Still may have another load of gravel added on top here when we're all said and done, but I'm going to say this is a vast improvement from where we were at. Here's the final results. I did tilt the box plate back, and I leveled it out some more, taking out the high spots and ridges and to distribute the gravel the rest of the way. I may have them deliver another load of gravel to put on top of this to see how it all goes, but for now, I think we'll get by.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I like getting out in the tractor and spending some time in the sun. 55 degrees here today. It's a really nice day to do this, and ground's finally firmed up so we can get some good gravel coverage. It's not all wet and soppy. So again, if you guys liked today's comment, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Kyle signing out.